Welcome to EAO Jaunt 2, where every possible travel need is available for EAO members. The first ever all-in-one mobile-friendly software for travel and event planning customized to your needs and organization. Upon registering through the EAO website, any member or member organization can customize and curate their corporate events, all from one single location. Our API partners incorporate virtually all private and public hotel accommodations worldwide, individual and group flight planning and booking, airport transfers through international and regional transportation providers, car rentals, and local tickets for activities and events. To put it simply, it is your own private travel planning tool to assist you in managing events and transportation that you are responsible for at work. Whether that is for one person or 200, EAO Jaunt 2 is mobilized and very easy to use. Your guests and attendees can register by clicking on the widget or URL and become part of your mobile planning tool. This is how it appears on their mobile phone. The guest will click the upload icon here to install the app on their phone's home screen, where it will be available to use and customize for their individual needs at any time. To view your curated events, simply click on the event. You will see the details of that event with pictures and a video. If the guest selects this event, simply click Select and checkmark the box next to the name. To add guest, click Add Another Guest and any notes that you may want to add. Go to Add to Cart. The guest can then proceed to checkout and enter their information. Here are the items in your cart and the total. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Proceed. This will take the guest to the payment portal where they can enter their credit card information. Click Submit and an email will be sent to the guest of the activities purchased. If the guest has not completed their payment, an email will be sent with the dashboard link and a payment link. Click the payment link and the guest will be redirected to the payment portal where they can enter their credit card information and click Submit. Once payment is submitted, guests can go to their personal dashboard and go to Order Details, where they can view their program voucher, the items purchased, email your receipt details, download the voucher, download your order details to a PDF where the guest can view the details of their order. And that's how simple it is to use EAO Jaunt 2.